Hello everyone and welcome back to Hubstream. So, are you ready to unlock your dream job opportunity? So today I'm going to tell about an exciting hiring challenge which is hosted by the Geeks for Geeks in collaboration with Hubstream. So, it is a Job-A-Thon exclusive hiring challenge for the Hubstream. So whether you are a fresher or experienced professional, this challenge could be a golden ticket to land your top-notch role. So stick around. We are going to discuss all the details about this Job-A-Thon and what is eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the challenges are there, and what are the coding problems are there. All the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, what is a Job-A-Thon is all about? Job-A-Thon, it is a special hiring initiative by the Geeks for Geeks and designed to connect the talented individuals with the great companies. This particular edition in the collaboration with the Hubstream, it is offering a job roles to skilled candidates to tech domain. It's your chance to showcase your expertise and also land an impressive role in the company that values innovation and also technical skills. Now, let's talk about the key highlights that a Job-A-Thon hiring challenge for Upstream. The organizer, that is a Geeks for Geeks, and the collaborators of Hubstream, a leading company in the tech solutions. So the mode, it is an online mode. The participants, for the comfort of home, they can participate in this competition. Now, the open roles, that are various roles for a skilled tech professionals. It is specific roles may be shared closer to the event. Now let's talk about who can participate. The eligibility criteria are very simple, open to the students, freshers, and experienced professionals in the tech related domain. And participants should have a strong understanding of coding, algorithms, and also problem solving skills. Additional skills like data structures, database, and as well as familiarity with the programming language like Python, Java, or C++ can be a give edge for you. Now let's talk down the competition structure. So how you can prepare effectively. Now coding round, where you will solve a set of coding problems ranging from the basic to advanced level. The topics like algorithms, data structures, and problem solvings and debugging. Like you will tackle the real world problem challenges and debug the code snippets, and will focus on accuracy and as well as efficiency. The technical interviews for shortlisted candidates will be there. You will be diving deep into the coding approach, projects, and as well as technical expertise. Now coming to the HR round, where you will find a stage of access the culture fit and as well as communication skills. Now the rewards and as well as opportunities. The Job-A-Thon isn't just a hiring event; it is a gateway to lucrative opportunities with the Hubstream. So what it is for you? It is a job offer where competitive roles with attractive packages and networking with the connecting with the top recruiters and as well as tech professionals. Skill recognition, showcase your talent on a national platform, and you will get a certificate of participation also, and this you can add it to your resume where it can boost it also. Now how to prepare and as well as apply. Here is how you can make most of this challenge. So brush up the basic things like revise the core concepts in the data structures, algorithms, and programming. Practice a mock test using the platform like Geeks to attempt the coding problems. The time management, like you need to focus on solving the questions very effectively. So to apply for this, it is very simple. The link in the description box, and click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on register button. You can register for this role. And so what are you waiting for? Job-A-Thon is exclusive hiring challenge for a Hubstream. It is your chance to start your dream career. Gather your confidence and polish your skills and register today. Drop a comment below if you are excited or need to help preparing this, and don't forget to like and share to subscribe to opportunity for more such updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with this hackathon.